Spicy Ladies. I'm Alicia.
And I'm Sage.
And this is our YouTube channel.
Yeah, so we just wanted to welcome you to it. Hopefully you'll subscribe. But basically, it's 2018. We want to try new things. It's kind of something we've always been interested in, like the beauty stuff, fashion industry. So thought we'd give a YouTube channel a shot for that.
Yeah, so we're best friends. We've known each other forever. And yeah, so I live in Canada, and so did Sage up until about 6 months ago. Then she moved to America.
Woo!
Yeah, so most of our videos obviously then won't be us together.
Yeah. But we'll collaborate and probably like one a week from each of us. We'll see. But haven't figured out all the kinks and quirks of YouTube yet, but we'll for sure let you know, and you can always recommend what you'd like to see in the down bar below and comment.
Yeah. So a little bit about us. We're both 17 and seniors in high school. So yeah.
Big changes soon to come, so we're just going to kind of document it, so...
Yeah, and there'll be vlogs and stuff on this channel when we're together, or when one of us does something really cool, we'll be sure to record it and upload it for you guys.
But mainly probably like some makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, like lookbooks, fashion and stuff. But
yeah, so let us know what you want to see, too.
Yeah.
And yeah, well, you know, if it's something that we think we could do, then yeah, for sure we'll do it.
Yeah,
we're open to suggestions.
Yeah, so thanks guys, thanks for watching. Leave some comments below, subscribe, like, all the fun jazz of YouTube that you do. Yeah, so we'll see you guys next time.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
3. 1, 2, 4. Okay.
I hate this too.